Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to cook fondue cheese using an easy method. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You will need about 1 pound of your favorite meltable cheese, like Gruyere or Emmental, 1 1/2 cups of dry white wine, and 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Make sure your fondue pot is clean and ready. This simple approach ensures a delicious and smooth fondue experience for everyone to enjoy. Let's get started with the preparation. Now, let's prepare our ingredients for melting. Begin by grating your 1 pound of cheese into small, even pieces. This helps it melt smoothly and consistently. Next, toss the grated cheese with 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. This crucial step prevents the cheese from clumping and ensures a wonderfully creamy texture. Finally, pour your 1 1/2 cups of dry white wine into your fondue pot and heat it gently over medium-low heat until it just begins to simmer. This is where the magic happens. Once your wine is gently simmering, begin adding the cornstarch-coated cheese a handful at a time. Stir continuously in a figure-8 motion, ensuring each addition melts completely before adding more. This constant stirring is key to achieving a perfectly smooth and lump-free fondue. Keep the heat low, maintaining a gentle simmer, and never let it come to a vigorous boil. In about 10 to 15 minutes, your fondue will be wonderfully creamy. Your delicious, easy cheese fondue is now ready to enjoy. To keep it perfect, maintain a very low heat under your fondue pot, just enough to keep it warm without scorching. Serve it immediately with classic dippers like crusty bread cubes, crisp apple slices, or blanched vegetables such as broccoli florets. Encourage your guests to stir the fondue occasionally as they dip. This helps maintain its beautiful, creamy consistency throughout your meal. Enjoy your homemade culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.